I've had quite a few phone holders. This is the one that clips on the air vent. This was nice. Problem is that my phone blocks the air. So then I said, well, let me get this one where the clip is offset a little bit. It didn't really help. Basically, you open those when the phone clips in there. You hold on to it. Then I bought this thing, mounted it up on my dashboard, and this worked for a long time. Problem is, Texas heat, my phone heats up. And then finally, this little gooey stuff on the bottom, a little suction just melted, so it's inoperable now. So, what to do? I'm sort of a minimalist. So now, I decided, hey, I've got these CDs laying around, or in this case, this is an old platter from a hard disk drive. I'm going to take 3 of those and glue them together with super glue. So I just took a couple drops, put them on the platter, and these are hard drive discs, and they're really, really slippery and fine, so they slid around for a while, so I just stacked them up and let them sit there. I'll put a little swirl on here. I think you can do the same thing with CD-ROMs, although you'll need a few more. These are heavier than the CD-ROM, and 3 of them worked well. And I'm like, okay, now I've got a little weight. I'm going to take this little vent clamp that I have, push it on here, and I'm going to stick that bad boy inside my CD-ROM holder. So instead of clipping that on here and having this plop, I just put this thing in here. Goes in a little bit, fits snug. It's heavy to hold it in there. It's not going to pop out. Put my phone in horizontal or vertical. These things are maybe $5, and everybody's got CD-ROMs laying around. There's a 3 disc platters. I suppose CDs you're going to need 4 or 5. The CDs are bigger. You may have to saw a little bit. Make a horizontal line here going across on them so they don't go in too far. These are nicer because they're smaller, but everybody's got old hard drives laying around. This came out of an old Lenovo NAS that went bad. Works really well. And there it is. Keeps it off the dash, out of the heat. Keeps it away from the vents. But I've never used a CD anyway. I can turn it this way. I still want to see the screen. Run my power cord up from here. Flip it this way. So minimal interference with the power cord. Really nice. Cost me next to nothing. Except for that clip that I bought quite a while ago.